Dexter Nduna. Remember that name? He's a big deal in Zimbabwean politics, a senior ZANU PF official. He was celebrating a new achievement recently, a shiny law degree from the University of Zimbabwe. You know, the usual look at me, I'm accomplished stuff. But hold on, because this story takes a sharp turn. It seems like Nduna's academic success might be, well, let's just say questionable. Rumors started swirling, whispers in the corridors of the university. People were saying that Nduna didn't actually pass his courses. Not just a subject or two, mind you. We're talking about failing all of his modules. And yet, there he was, holding a degree. Now, anyone who's ever pulled an all-nighter knows that law school is no walk in the park. So how did Nduna, a man accused of being more familiar with political maneuvering than legal textbooks, manage to snag that degree? The accusations are wild, folks. We're talking about potential manipulation of grades, special treatment because of his political connections, the whole 9 yards. It's like a political thriller, but instead of car chases, we have exam papers. And trust me, the stakes are just as high. This isn't just about one man's degree, it's about the integrity of an entire education system, the reputation of a university, and the trust people have in their leaders. This scandal blew up at the worst possible time for Zimbabwe. The country's already dealing with corruption scandals, economic turmoil, and enough social unrest to make your head spin. The last thing they need is another reason to doubt their institutions. But hey, that's Zimbabwe for you, always keeping things interesting, or should I say depressing. Let's be clear, these aren't just baseless rumors. This isn't some disgruntled student who failed a test and is blaming it on the big bad politician. We're talking about multiple sources, people who were in the trenches of law school with Nduna. And they're painting a very different picture of the man. Students who shared classes with him were shocked, flabbergasted, gobsmacked. Insert your preferred synonym for utterly surprised when they saw him graduating. According to them, Nduna was practically a ghost in class. Lectures? Missed them. Tutorials? He was MIA. It's like he thought legal knowledge could be absorbed through osmosis, and it gets worse. These classmates claim that when Nduna did grace them with his presence, he didn't exactly scream legal eagle. Apparently, his grasp of the law was more like a toddler trying to hold a slippery fish. In other words, not great. Now, I'm no legal scholar, but I'm pretty sure you can't just wing it when it comes to the law. Unless, of course, you have the right connections. The University of Zimbabwe, once a beacon of academic excellence, is now at the center of this storm. We're talking about potential preferential treatment, manipulation of results, the whole academic shebang. If these allegations are true, it throws the entire system into question. It's like finding out that the judges on So You Think You Can Dance have 2 left feet. It just undermines everything.